How can children find their way in a world overflowing with misinformation? Časoris is a trusted news platform and the only daily newspaper in Slovenia made specifically for kids. It helps young readers build critical media literacy skills through engaging stories, hands-on workshops, and opportunities to create their own content. Along the way, they learn how to spot credible journalism and why it matters in a democracy. By bringing in educators and parents, Časoris builds a supportive community where young voices are truly heard. In an age of growing disinformation, it gives the next generation the tools to think critically, stay informed, and help shape the future, one news story at a time. The jury highlights Časoris, Slovenia's only children's daily newspaper, uniquely combines media education with journalistic practice. Časoris develops an informed, engaged generation capable of participating in societal debates.